Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Learn Indonesian fast. Basic conversations for daily life. Beginner friendly. Before we begin, let me tell you something important. You are not here to memorize Indonesian. You are here to feel it, to hear it, to speak it naturally. And starting right now, your brain begins to adapt. Without pressure, without stress. Just listening, repeating, absorbing. And by the end of this, Indonesian will already feel more familiar, more natural. So relax. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Let your mind open and simply follow along. We begin with the most important word, hello. In Indonesian, you say, halo. Repeat softly, halo. Again, halo. Good. Now let's continue. If you want to ask, how are you? You say, apa kabar? Repeat slowly, apa kabar. Again, apa kabar? Now together, halo, apa kabar? Very good. Now listen to the answer. Baik. It means, I am good. Repeat. Baik. Again. Baik. Now let's build a small conversation. Halo. Apa kabar? Baik. Terima kasih. Terima kasih means thank you. Repeat slowly. Terima kasih. Again, terima kasih. Good. Now let's continue. If you want to say, nice to meet you, you say, senang bertemu dengan Anda. Repeat slowly. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Again, senang bertemu dengan Anda. Now imagine meeting someone. Halo. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Feel how natural that becomes. Now, let's ask someone's name. Siapa nama Anda? It means, what is your name? Repeat slowly. Siapa nama Anda? Again, siapa nama Anda? Now answer. Nama saya means my name is. Add your name. Repeat. Nama saya. Good. Now let's continue with polite words. Please. Tolong. Repeat. Tolong. Again. Tolong. And thank you again. Terima kasih. Very good. Now, let's use this in real life. If you want something, you can say, tolong bisa bantu saya? It means, please, can you help me? Repeat slowly. Bisa bantu saya. Again, tolong bisa bantu saya? Excellent. Now let's learn something very useful. If you don't understand, you say, saya tidak mengerti. Repeat slowly. Saya tidak mengerti. Again, saya tidak mengerti. And if you understand, saya mengerti. Repeat. Saya mengerti. Again, saya mengerti. Now, let's bring everything together. Imagine a simple conversation. Halo. Apa kabar? Baik, terima kasih. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Siapa nama Anda? Nama saya. Tolong, saya tidak mengerti. Saya mengerti. Feel the flow. This is real communication. Simple, natural. And now it is becoming part of you. Without effort, without stress. Just repetition. Just listening. Just absorbing. Now, let's slow everything down. Let the words settle. Halo. Apa kabar? Baik. Terima kasih. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Siapa nama Anda? Nama saya. Tolong, saya tidak mengerti. Saya mengerti. Each word becoming more familiar, more natural, more yours. You are learning, even now. Your brain is building connections, recognizing sounds, understanding patterns. And with every repetition, you improve, effortlessly, naturally. Now, take a slow breath and relax deeper. Let these words settle into your mind. There is no rush, no pressure, just calm learning and quiet progress. You are becoming more confident, more comfortable, more fluent. One word at a time, one phrase at a time. And this is only the beginning.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.